Hey, my name is Elvis George. I've been growing my business since last year from 300 euros a month till now 26,000 euro a month. So today I'll be telling you how I actually got like instant 35k to build my first shop. So I didn't save no money. I didn't use the bank. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you how I did it. Yeah. So first thing first, it was all planned out. Planned everything else kind of. First, what I did last year, I was able to get like a car loan. Yeah, a car loan of a very, very expensive car. So I did that. There's a reason why I did that. I knew like whenever I should need like a certain amount of money, that I can't really trust the bank that they will give me that money. So bank is like 50-50. You don't really know when they will say no or yes. And then I was building my brand, so I really got the car, using the car. And then actually I'll just tell you guys everything quickly. And then there were some few moments that I needed money, but I didn't really. The plan was actually to sell the car whenever I need money. Because first I will ask the bank, and then if the bank say no, it will be plan B. Then I sell the car. I get instant money to build whatever I want to build. Then a year later, the time came when I really needed money. I had like this car, expensive car, but also needed money. So I went to the bank. I asked the bank, is it possible to get some loan, like 35,000 euros? They told me, blah, 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 blah. You know how the bank does. Eventually they said no. So that's how I actually sold my car, used the money to build my business. And then building my business, the money I earn, I can always buy a new car. So some people think they really need to save money before they start their business. Or I didn't do it. But what I did is just buy something, get hold of it, and then when the time comes, you will eventually lose some money. I lose some money, but the money that I'm making now is more than the money that I lost from the car. And the car actually acted like a fund for me, because there was no one that was here to fund me. So I had to find a way to fund myself. So it's like a plan that I had like a year ago. So if you have the chance to buy something now, I will tell you to buy it. Just be paying it off like gently. And then when you eventually need money to build something, you can sell that thing and build it. That's the way I did it, because I knew I couldn't trust no banks, because the banks, sketchy as hell. That's actually what I wanted to share with you guys. That's how I had the chance to like build income part. I have like a shop in the busy street, because I made the choice 1 year ago to buy this expensive car. But what you also have to know, you should be able to lose the car, because because I told a few people that I wanted to sell the car. What they told me is, oh, Elvis, don't sell it, don't sell it, don't sell it. I was like, I will sell it. They said, oh no, but it's a nice car. But the thing is, you don't listen to people. You listen to what you see and what your visual are in your business. If I haven't sold the car, I will still be stuck at 6,000 euro. Now I sold the car, making more than that, and eventually in the future I'll be making even more. You get it? So listen to yourself. You can take this one with you. If you know you don't have enough money and 1 year later you'll be needing money, anytime that a bank can loan you money, take it. Anytime a bank can and will want to loan you money, take it. Use the money. I'm not good at saving, so I don't advise people to save, because in Belgium, saving is really difficult. If you save, you get more bills. If you save, you need to pay. What I did, I bought a car, I used the car, then I sold the car to build, and you get it. Saving sometimes could be even more difficult than it seems, because me, if I would have saved the money, I knew I wouldn't be able to afford the shop 1 year later. The money would just go somewhere else or for something else. So that's that's all about this video actually. So you can strategically plan your business or your brand or whatever you're planning. Just plan it on time. Think about everything. Think about the negative, the positive. Plan A, plan B, plan C. Because you're not really allowed to go with plan A always, because things always go sideways. So that's everything about today's video. So stay tuned for the next one. If you have any questions, please just ask. I'll be here to answer everything. See you in the next one. Bye.